Amazon has announced plans to lay off 10,000 workers, the latest tech company that's been cutting jobs. This comes after cuts at Meta and Twitter. And for the month of November alone, more than 24,000 tech employees have been laid off at 72 companies. For a look at what's ahead for technology, we want to welcome Primetime Partners chairperson and co-founder Alan Patricof. The legendary VC has helped launch 500 early-stage companies, including Apple and AOL. And Alan, welcome. Thanks for being here today.
Thanks for inviting me, Becky.
So you have seen up cycles, you've seen down cycles. What we're watching right now, just in terms of layoffs, what do you think of it and what do you compare it to?
Well, your words are exactly perfect and well chosen. We're seeing a cycle, and what I've commented on recently is the fact that there are so many people in the investment business that haven't lived through a down cycle, really. Sure, there are blips along the way, but having been in this business as long as I have, I've seen so many cycles, and it's everything doesn't go straight up. And I think a lot of people who've been making investment decisions, both in private and public, have seen up markets that are, you make you feel you can only go one way, which is up. And now we're seeing the reality setting in that every once in a while we do have a setback. And I must say the layoffs that we're seeing out in California probably are long overdue, but the sizes are kind of overwhelming. I mean, to lay off half of your company in one fell swoop is pretty significant. And even the layoffs that have taken place, that's Twitter obviously, but have taken place at Meta and other companies are pretty extraordinary, considering that these are companies that were supposedly our superstars.
Right. I think that's what's so surprising about it, Alan. This isn't just new startups, people who hadn't lived through up and down cycles before. I mean, to see the likes of an Amazon have to deal with this, a Meta, is this because they just got carried away by an upcycle that was fueled by all the money that was out there, and then the pandemic where you thought that there were shifts in consumer behavior that were never going to change again?
No, well, I invested in virtual reality in 1984 when I backed Sharon Lanier and found him at the bottom of the CES show behind a bridge table, manipulating gloves to show his new technology. The only reason I mentioned that is that's 40 years ago, and we're now seeing virtual reality supposedly become a business. So it's taken a long time to get here, and it yet isn't yet proven, and yet Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook, Meta, spent a heck of a lot of money for a technology that has lots of promise, but could be another 10 years before it's there. So obviously he's had to correct and lay off some people to adjust to what the current realities are.
It doesn't sound like the layoffs are coming in the metaverse, though. The layoffs are coming at other areas of the company, and they're going to still be investing in the metaverse. It sounds like you're pretty skeptical.
Well, but his amount of money he's putting in is pretty extraordinary into the metaverse, which is causing his reasons for, I think, cutting back expenses.
Mm-hmm. So, Alan, having seen these up cycles and these down cycles in the past, where do you think we are at this point in the down cycle, and what do you do as an investor? Is this a time to go around and start looking at some of these stocks that are down by more than 50%, or do you think there's still some pain to come?
Well, one thing I wouldn't do is sell and run for the hills. I mean, I think those are the people that usually get caught in a bear trap, as it's called. I think this is a time to ride through. It's too late to sell, and I think you want to give it a little time to settle out here, and watch as facts develop, whether it's consumer price index or whether it's employment, hiring. I think I wouldn't necessarily be a market timer and try to rush in, but just wait for the fundamentals to put a more stable environment in, and then pick your choice, take your choices. There, lots of companies have declined dramatically during this last 6 months or so, but I think you're going to find there are opportunities that are going to be all over the place if you just keep your eyes open and read the fundamentals.